How long does it take to be a good swimmer? Well, it depends on what you define as good. For example, it took Michael Phelps 8 years to qualify for the 2000 Sydney Olympics. He started swimming at age 7, which means that he was only 16 when he broke the 200 meters butterfly world record. So if you're Michael Phelps and you are 7 years old, it takes 9 years to be the best. But what if you're not Michael Phelps? You are not 7 years old and you don't necessarily want to be the best in the world. Well, if you start from zero, but you have the best coach, which could be yourself, and the best attitude towards learning, it can take as little as 20 hours of deliberate practice for you to learn how to swim a couple of laps. From then on, progress starts to get more difficult. The most difficult part is that progress is not linear. That means that you can work very hard all year long and still be slower than last year. So it depends on a lot of things, like hard work, how good your genes are, but I think most importantly, your will and humility to search for new ways of getting better. Notice that I didn't mention age. That is because you can learn how to swim at any age. In fact, a lot of people have written comments on our videos saying that they started to learn how to swim at 60 or 70 years old and are now in love with the sport. When I started swimming competitively at age 8, it took me around 2 to 3 years to become one of the fastest swimmers on the team. What is surprising is that I wasn't the tallest, the strongest, or the most hardworking one, and yet I could manage to outswim most of my teammates. The only reason that I did that is that I had one of the best swimming techniques on my team. My technique allowed me to swim faster and with less effort than my teammates. This wasn't a secret either. My closest friends and my brother always helped each other after practice on perfecting our technique. That is why I always say that our expertise is teaching good swimming technique. And that is why a lot of people write comments thanking us for helping them improve their technique. Sadly, through YouTube, we can only help people with more general tips and advice. To truly help swimmers beyond what they think is possible, we need to analyze their swimming abilities in person. That is why we are holding a swimming camp. I invite you to join us for a full week to improve your technique. In order to have time to focus on each athlete, we are only accepting 15 to 20 swimmers. So make sure to talk to us quickly about this opportunity. If you're interested, click here to find out more and reserve your spot. See you there. Swim fast!